What's up, everybody? I'm Nelly.
And I'm Mario.
Well, I'm Nelly.
And I'm Mario.
And right now you're watching Life with Nelly and Mario. Okay, so today, guys, we're going to be assembling our travel system for baby, and it's from Baby Trend. And this one here is the Snaptech 35 infant car seat lavender eyes, and the jogger for this is the Xcel-R8 Jogger Thistle. Thistle. Hope I'm saying the correct thing, yes? This is how it's supposed to look, the car seat. And this is how the stroller is supposed to look. And I must say that we started by saying I'm very impressed with Baby Trend because it looks exactly like the picture. And babe? Babe is gonna be assembling everything.
All the work.
And we're sorry that you guys can't see us in this video, but we are in our home clothes, we are chilling, we are relaxing, and the delivery just came in, so we just decided to do a video for you guys.
The car seat.
For the car seat, no, that was for the stroller. That came with the stroller. There's some extra accessories, the cup holder. For the side. Additional cup holder. We'll see, but we'll get back to that when we reach to the stroller. So let's go back onto the car seat.
Seat, so packaging.
Nice. The color is so vibrant, it looks exactly like the picture. It comes with the car seat and the base. Okay, so we had ended up snapping it into the base by accident before we put it in the car.
So, in order to release it, you have a little red lever at the front. You see, right here. So you pull it forward, and then yay!
Yay!
You're free.
And it basically comes like this. It came like this, and it's assembled already. Everything good.
In order to do the height adjustment to the headrest, you have a little lever at the back. You turn it, you see? Well, it goes up. You can go down. Yeah. That's just about it. Up and down.
And also has this seat belt. The seat belt is very nice. Like this is the what release? Okay, and then we just snap that one to release that one there. And that's it. And this is very soft as well. Very, very soft and comfortable.
Soft and comfy.
Must say. We really do love it. Big up Baby Trend on this one. So let's move on. We can move this aside, babe, and let's go on to the stroller. Yay!
Open, just fold out like this. Pop it. Snap.
This looks so good. Well, it looks exactly like the picture on the net.
Sun guard.
Could you raise up the handle? The handle could go up higher.
Which handle? This?
Yeah, that could raise up.
As in up.
Yeah, like if it could get higher.
Can I put on the wheel like this?
Oh, when you put on the wheel, okay. Go ahead. Sorry. You see, guys, that's when you're pushy. Let the man do a man's job and stay out of his business.
So, I'm trying to install the wheels now. So we'll go off the wheel. Install the wheel. On the side. The brakes. So clip on the effect, so just push it down. Click. Next wheel. Again, adjust this. Quick. So that's you. Alright, so this is the tray. Install. Clip it in. And then, clip on. Just like that. Other tray. I guess this is a tray for like when you walk in a child. You want to like, have a little drink and have nowhere to put it. This is for you. Look a pouch right there.
Ooh, it could fit like my phone.
Devices on your phone and your money and whatsoever. Yeah. That's it. And for the car seat, I guess it has some clip here. You see?
Yep.
There's the clip on this area. So clip on, push down, and yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
Ta-da!
The lid right there.
And you could like pull this part here too for her.
Sun guard.
And this one, you know, if you don't want nobody see your child now, but you'll be looking at my child and thinking my child Maladro. You want baby getting no Maladro?
Well, I guess this little string right here is for extra support. I'm not sure, but hook it in here. I guess. I'm not sure, I guess.
Yeah, so y'all could tell us if we're wrong. We new to this as well, right? So we just now setting up this. So we believe that there's this extra string here for us. So y'all could let us know in the comment section. But yeah.
Alright, so you have 2 foot brakes in order to stop the stroller from rolling. So in order to activate it, you push down. 1, 2.
Easy access.
Easy access. Let go, up, up.
Yeah. Oh, babe, on the pouch. Right there to
Yeah.
pack your stuff.
I'll look at extra pouch to pack anything you want, you know? Storage area.
And it's fairly big. So,
It's
yeah.
really big and nice.
Okay, so we've seen a lot of reviews where people don't tell you guys how to take it apart. So we're going to show you guys that right now. Go ahead, baby.
In order to get this off, you have some clips underneath that you need to adjust.
Where? Just now.
Right
Okay.
in here. You have one here and one here. So press 1, press 2, ease up. Yay.
Easy. Can't see this up.
That's why you have the holder here. So you need to, in order to get it off, you need to hold this
Mm-hmm.
and adjust it back. Hold, adjust back.
Okay. What about the stroller? Let's break this down for easy access to go to the car.
For easy access, you have 2 adjustable nuts right here, one on the left, one on the right. So you have 2 fingers.
Let me run around. Wait, let them see. Yeah.
So you finger one here, and then pull up, pull backwards.
Like to yourself.
Yeah,
To
you.
yourself. Okay, yeah. Ooh.
That's just about it.
And that's it, guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review setup, the assembly, and taking it apart. This is the baby trend once again. Snap Tech 25 infant car seat, lavender ice, and the Xcel-R8 Jogger that we put together to make our travel system. Big up to Preggy Plus for this amazing travel system. Is there anything else that you want to add, babe?
That's it.
That's it?
Plus.
Okay.
Thanks, Preggy Plus.
So until next time, stay
Stay
blessed,
blessed,
Davis family.
We're
We're
out.
out. Peace!